Hey, where have you been? Already done 40k. So a bit of a mission today. Two things. Picking up Anthony. We've got to go to County Cycles. I've got to have my rear gear cable adjusted, fixed, because I think it's about to snap. And then we're heading over Solid Mountain. We're probably going over there first to find my missing piece of mudguard. Long story. No luck on the mudguard front. We scanned probably all this hedge line down into Pontiats. No sign of it. See, the thing is, like, when I came down here so fast, you know, distance is relative. I think when you're traveling at such a fast speed, you don't quite know where something will fall. Gear cable snapped. That's why I'm walking. Anthony's giving me full pelters for that, as you can imagine. Alright, onwards to County and fit the new gear cable, please. Tally ho! A saddle for you, yeah. My bike has been demolished.
Yeah, how much is that DI2? Them wheels are...
It's happened, like.
Yeah.
If I'm honest with you, I reckon I could have done the 3,000 meters yesterday if it wasn't for the wind. Yeah. I was going down Mink yesterday and I was hardly doing 30 mile an hour. It's usually a 50 mile an hour descent, isn't it? Don't know if you could see that, but I am no longer confined to the 11th sprocket. Thanks, County. I never ever get post. When I do, it's like Christmas come early. For the camera. So perfect ride this morning, apart from the gear cable breaking and the mudguard issue that we never solved. I guess you gotta count your blessings. Don't know why, but it always seems easier to ride a skateboard with a weight on your back. Riding a skateboard, like, actually saves me a lot of time when I'm going places. So I'm heading down to Trust Park to pick up some travel money for this weekend. I don't have any euros left, so I'm gonna pick some up. I don't know if that's like pretty old school, like using money, because a lot of people just use their card, but... Ooh, speed bump. Ooh. I want to take my skateboard, but I don't know if it's allowed. Does anybody know if I'd be able to pack my skateboard inside my bike bag?
3, is that right?
That's perfect.
You want a wallet?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Sweet.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright,
Usually I get my euros from Travelex. When I go to the airport and we check in, I usually get them then. I don't know, I decided to get them beforehand this time. I'll race you! Come back! Focus. Focus. I'm wearing something right now. I don't know if you can see, like, on my chest. It's a chest mount for, well, it's for a GoPro, but I haven't got one. I've got a Garmin Verb. So I've had to modify it a little. What's coming at you right now is the footage of me boarding down to Trostra. Let's see what it looks like. Not bad. I think it deserves a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. What I am going to do now is I'm going to go home. I'm going to wash the bike, and tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow is a rest day, so probably won't be a vlog tomorrow. I'm going to get ready for this trip. I'm going to get packing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and see you on the other side of the rest day. These Polaroid lenses are really messing with my eyes. Whoa. Bet you can't see my feet. Get it? Camouflage.